Good morning everyone, welcome to Il Paraiso. This is Duke Del and your plantito here in Mindanao. So this time we will have to provide food to our green babies. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing, cultivating, and taking good care of orchids, you will always be notified. This time, gagamitin ang Orgamin DA. So, maglalagay tayo ng isang teaspoon sa 20 liters na tubig. At saka, itong, ito yung, nung tawag dito, this is a stem. Ito yung stem, soluble trace elements mix. And this is 20-20-20. So, here, sabi dito sa instruction, we are going to dissolve 5-8 grams per 16 liters of water or 0.5 grams in 1 liter of water. So dito, meron tayong inihanda na this is actually 20 liters, no? This is actually 20 liters of water. And then, ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon para i-spray natin doon sa ating mga orchids. Okay, no? So, ito yung balde o timba na aking gagamitin. And then, ang isang full na ganito ay composed of 20 liters of water. So, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon dito sa Il Paraiso para maipagpatuloy natin ang pag-aalaga ng ating mga orchids and they could be able to provide us good blooms. So, merong mga medyo elements na nasa tubig. So, gagamit tayo mamaya ng screen para hindi siya maging hadlang doon sa ating sprayer. So, bye na muna kasi i-apply ko muna ito sa aking mga orchids. So, thank you so much. God bless everyone and stay safe.